kindly play the video again with the volume on max.
Imagined myself cutting his head. Gusto ko, ganun din ang gusto ko gawin doon sa mga katabi ko.
Can we proceed?
Madam Chair,
All right.
just a point of clarification.
Go ahead, DS
Um,
Suarez.
Maybe the good congressman from Bicol Saro can answer my question. Doon po sa video na nire-request niyong ipalabas, may binanggit po na cutting his. So sino po yung his that the Vice President was pertaining to?
I understand.
NBI? Who would be in a better position to answer that question?
Deputy Speaker, I understand that the NBI had already responded. Maybe the response can be repeated as to who is the person being referred to in this clip.
If you would see the whole video, it was referred to the President, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Sorry, Madam Chair. Can you repeat that again? Pakiulit nga kung sino?
If you could see the whole video that was submitted, Your Honor, it is the President that was referred, Your Honor.
The President.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you very much.
All right. Can we proceed to the third video, please?
Comsec, please play the third video.
So doon, na-realize ko, toxic na, di ba? Ganyan na yung imagination mo. Ang imagination mo, sinasakal mo na yung tao. And then I said, this is over.
All right. Do we need to replay it or we can proceed?
Go
We
ahead,
We
Congressman.
can proceed to the fourth video, please.
Comsec, yes. Go ahead.
Hindi marunong maging presidente ang nakaupo. Kasalanan ko ba yun?
Please proceed to the fifth video, please.
Pero isang beses sinabihan ko talaga si Senator Amy. Sabi ko sa kanya, kung hindi kayo tumigil, huhukayin ko yung tatay ninyo. Itatapon ko siya sa West Philippine Sea.
Can we be clarified from the NBI before proceeding to the last clip? Who is this tatay ninyo that the Vice President might be referring to? Would you know?
The father of the President, Ferdinand Marcos, Your Honor, Senior.
All right, thank you. Can we proceed to the last clip?
So, kung presidente niyo siya, okay lang. Ako, hanggang vice president lang ako. Hanggang number 2 lang itong bansa na ito. Wala itong number 1 para sa akin.
All right. Thank you, Madam Chair. That would be all. Salamat po.